been looking for. Trust me, I don't wanna feel no more.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So in today's video I am doing another Halloween look. We are only under like 2 months away from Halloween. I wish it was Halloween all year round. I created this like cut up split nose with needles through it, and I used scar wax for this, and yes, it proved to be really hard. This is my third time using scar wax, so I'm not a professional and it could still look much more realistic and the edges could be blended more, but honestly this was hard enough as it was to work with, and my fingers just kept getting all like sticky and it was just pulling off all the time. So I'm pretty proud with like how it turned out, and I hope you guys learned something from this video anyway. If you guys do like this look and you do want to see more gory looks, then give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean so much to me. And yeah, if you subscribe you get to see a new video of mine in your subscription feed every week. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I post weekly, if not like every second or third day on there, so go on, give me a follow. So yeah, anyway, if you want to see how to get this gory split up nose, then just keep on watching. Okay, so here I am with my makeup done, apart from makeup on my nose. You probably can't even tell, but I've taken my nose ring out and I don't have any makeup on my nose. So you see this like red bit here, I've got like varicose veins on my nose or something. Here's Henry. Hello. He wanted to say hi. He is the sweetest, eh, Hen? Who else has a rag doll or a Burman? Henry's a rag doll and he's just the sweetest thing in my world. I love him. Okay, I just fixed my lash. I felt like it was like coming off. Anyway, I better go over my makeup in case you were wondering. It's the products that I use like all the time. So the foundation is the Milani Correct and Perfect foundation in the shade 1. I had lipstick in my teeth, great. I'm using the Benefit Cheek Stars palette, like the highlighter, the Hoola bronzer, and also the blush. From that palette, I'm using the Benefit Foolproof Brow Palette number 3, the Chi Chi Lashes in Claudia, I absolutely love these, and the lipstick is this MAC Liquid Lip Color in Burnt Spice. It is a really cool nude. Hey Henry, do you like it? Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in. Oh my gosh, Henry wants to be everywhere that I am, honestly. This look was inspired by Shades of V on Instagram, so I'll put her Instagram name here. I was scrolling through Explore for Instagram ideas and I found her look and I was like, oh my gosh, that's pretty cool. I've done like a cut mouth before and I've done like a cut cross and I've done, oh my gosh, I'm getting messages. I've done like a cross and I've done like, yeah, the mouth and like a big bear claw, but I haven't done anything like this before, so I'm gonna attempt it and hopefully you guys like it. I'm just going to grab my Buys Scar Wax. This is like the best scar wax. I got it from Spotlight if you're from New Zealand, but if you're from overseas I'm sure you can get this online, just type it up. By the way, I didn't put foundation on my nose because you want to work on a clean dry surface. I just spit everywhere. And I'm using my spatula. This is also from Spotlight. Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I found like Halloween SFX stuff in Spotlight. I've only worked with scar wax like twice before, so I'm still new to this technique. You know, I'm gonna like just roll it in a little like ball and I'm gonna put it on my nose. Ooh, I just want to mold it to shape. Okay. It'll look really weird altogether. I have tried other scar wax formulas that are like so hard and you can't work with them at all, so I do recommend this brand. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. Persistency. So literally what I'm doing is I'm rolling it in like a ball shape and I'm just like sticking it on my nose and using my fingers to kind of like blend it into the skin. Oh. Okay, I want to get it as straight as I possibly can. literally you can't rush. So literally you just work it in with your fingers. I think that's the easiest method. See, look at the difference now. I'm just working a little bit slower. I'm not being in a rush. I'm going to use a spatula to kind of like work it down into the skin. This is why it's good to have long nails, because sometimes, oh my gosh, sometimes long nails can be used as a molder. Like you can actually use it like a spatula.
I don't wanna feel no more.
So I'm taking some Laura Mercier setting powder. I don't know if this is how you do it, but whatever. I'm gonna set this with powder so it's like not all sticky as. I'm literally using an old mini beauty blender as well. I have to keep my face serious because it's gonna split the thing. So now I'm using foundation on this little brush. I'm gonna make this the same color. I should have done that the other way around or whatever. So I'm just using this old brush. Well, it's not an old brush. This is from Kmart. You can get like a little pack of these in like a little makeup set. Good old Kmart. Yeah, so we're making this the same color. As you can see, so it doesn't look pink. Okay, now this is the part where I'm going to legit ruin it all. So you want a sharp spatula. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm like cutting it through it. It's pink on the inside, but literally we're putting blood in there, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so now that you've done that, you just want to take some foundation and kind of fix the top of it. And I know a lot of this is going to be covered in blood, but you just want to make sure that it's kind of all covered. So what you want to do is take either a black eyeshadow or red eyeshadow, but today I'm just going to take some water activated paints because I feel like it'll be easier to work with and it won't like drag the thing down. So I'm just going to take some black from my Meron AQ 8 color palette. I'm going to fill this part in with some black just to add some depth. Now I'm going to take some red on the brush and go in with red, and then I'm going to add some scat blood after that. See, that's the thing, I was literally going to give up in the start, but then you just keep going. I know this isn't like perfect, but it's going to look really cool in the photos and if you're like in the dark. I'm also going to add some blood coming down from my nose. Because why not? I'm going to mix it with a little bit of black as well. Matthew's water blasting the house. Matthew's water blasting the house, so don't mind him. We're lucky we have a microphone. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take my Bed and Eye Fresh Scab Blood. It looks like this on the inside. And I'm going to add this into the scar, so I'm just taking some on my spatula because this stuff you do not want to get on a brush because it will fully ruin them. I'm just going to add this in there and this is going to look way more realistic. Yeah. What is it? Oh, Matthew was just saying through the window that he would have blasted a mandarin off our tree. Wasn't ready yet, but well. Okay, so now I've got some pins and I'm gonna add these through, and this is where it's gonna look really cool. You just have to be really careful around your eyes with these.
How long did that take?
This is the hardest injury I've ever had to do because I'm working with scar wax. The bottom is really good, the top part fell off. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I've had this for so long. It's a really good palette. As you can see here, I've used like all the red, and these are like my most popular colours. So I'm going to take a bit of these colours just to create a little bit of bruising because I reckon it'll look a little bit more like realistic.
You find what you've been looking for.
Okay, so I just added a little bit of bruising so it makes it look a little bit more realistic. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this look. This is my like third time ever using scar wax, so I am still a beginner with the material, but I reckon I still did pretty well considering it was like a disaster. Half of it fell off halfway and it was just getting all over my fingers and I couldn't mold it down, and it was just all separating and I couldn't like roll it properly. Oh, it's just such a messy material to work with, but I reckon it looks quite cool. Oh my gosh, it actually looks really weird. And even Matthew walked in and said, ouch, that looks really sore. So yay. That must mean that it looks realistic enough if he says it looks sore. So if you guys recreate this look for Halloween, then please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to share your photos on my stories and tag you guys. I absolutely love seeing your recreations. And if you guys do like this look, then please give it a big thumbs up. And if you do want to see more like wounds like this or more like gory, bloody kind of looks, then definitely let me know, because that is my forte and it's probably my favorite thing to do out of all the makeup styles that I do. So yeah, I wish it was Halloween all year round. And oh my gosh, look at this highlight. Thanks to the Benefit Cheek Stars palette, the highlight in there is honestly the best, most pigmented highlighter I've ever tried. Anyway, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I hope you guys have a great week and I'll see you guys in my next week's video. Bye!